Hey guys, this is Ashutosh Nirmal, and as you guys already know, Google and Amazon having some problems, and Google pulled out their YouTube app from Fire TV Stick. Today I'm gonna show you how to use YouTube like before. Before starting the video, if you're watching my video first time, subscribe to my channel for more tech related videos and hit the bell icon so you'll get notification when new videos uploaded. Let's start. First we open Firefox browser. Here's already a YouTube TV shortcut. Just click to open it. If you want to sign in, you can. I'm gonna sign in. Now go to your PC or mobile and open this link and enter this code. Like this. Press next. Select your account which you want to log in. Allow, that's it. This is just a first time setup. Now it would work exactly like the YouTube app. I'll just search my channel. Here's my channel. Now we go to Silk browser. Here's the Silk browser. Here you type this link. So if you want to sign here again, you have to do the same thing. Now it also working same as YouTube app was. I'll make more videos related to Fire TV Stick in the future. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the link of the product in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions about the product or any suggestions, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.